Hello, good morning, students. Today's thought: nothing in biology makes sense except in the light of evolution. Okay, you know that evolution play an important role in formation of new species. Okay, evolution play an important role in formation of new species, or these new species. In these new species, new characters comes, or new characters are beneficial to the organism to fight against the harsh climatic condition, because day by day our environmental condition is changed. So evolution is important, or accept the evolution, nothing in biology makes sense. Okay, hello, good morning, students. In previous videos we explained to you about the protein synthesis mechanism. Okay, after the protein synthesis mechanism, now we discuss the how this protein synthesize we can regulate in the cells. Okay, so today's topic is here regulation of gene expression. Okay, regulation of the gene expression. We know that all cell contain a complete set of gene. All cell contain a complete set of a gene which code for all required protein in our body. Okay, which code all proteins which required in our body, and these proteins are synthesized. These proteins are synthesized when required in our body. Okay, these proteins are synthesized when required in our body. But and second things, these are not synthesized all protein are a same time. Okay, means when we needed the protein, then protein is synthesized, otherwise not, these proteins are synthesized. Okay, so these proteins are not flooded in unnecessary. Okay, these proteins are not flooded unnecessary, and the required proteins or enzyme synthesized at the time of the required. Okay, there are two phenomena contained in the cell: switch on or switch off for the gene expression. Okay, so switch on means when the protein synthesis start. So this, in which condition protein synthesis start, this is called the means, or we can say starting the protein synthesis is called the switch on. When the protein synthesis stop, so that process called the switch off. Okay, so so there are the two phenomena contained in the cell: switch on or switch off. Switch on means the protein synthesis start, and switch off means the protein synthesis close. Okay, so here two scientists, very important scientists, Francois Jacob and Monod. Jacob and Monod are the two scientists in 1961. In 1961, proposed a Opron concept. This is a Opron concept. Okay, proposed a Opron concept to explain the mechanism of switch on. Switch on means the inducible, and switch off means repressible regulation of the gene expression in prokaryotic cells. Okay, so these two scientists explain the mechanism of the switch on or switch off condition of the gene expression in prokaryotic cells. Okay,